Hi everyone, Ted here with Alary Technologies, and today I'd like to show you a really neat feature in the Photos app for Mac on macOS 15 Sequoia. Sometimes when you take a picture, there can be an annoying item in the photo drawing our eyes away from what's important. Well, with Photos for Mac, you can now easily remove these items from your photos. Let me show you how it works. Open your editors by clicking Edit. Then at the top of your window, choose Cleanup. The right-hand sidebar changes and you'll see two options available. For now, we're going to only cover Cleanup. You can resize your brush here in the sidebar. Once you're ready, click your mouse or trackpad and drag over the item you'd like to remove. And just like that, voila! No more hose in my photo. And that's how easy it is to remove unwanted items from your photos with Photos on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Alary Technologies.